Yeah, actually, I didn't do that.
Okay, well, I was ready to go. Mike says we're ready to start. Reed's adjusting some jack stands there. And we're going to go for a start.
Ready, Reed? Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, did we check the battery?
Battery's charged. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Building fuel pressure.
What?
Building fuel pressure.
No, I should start up right away.
No. Keep going. How's oil pressure? Okay, wait. I smell things. I smell things. Tailpipe, not seeing anything. Maybe, wait a minute. Maybe, can someone turn the fan off? So that way, if there are flavors. Yeah.
I smell is, I smell oil. I smell assembly lube. Okay, so that's not great. So that means my fuel injectors aren't running real good?
I don't know. I don't know that you've let it, I don't know yet. I would say give it some more cranking.
Should I floor it?
I think just see if it comes back normally.
I don't like that.
You need to prime it. And there's no oil pressure lights.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
It's
the mystery of the first start.
okay, so
And now we begin.
Understand your question?